Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to the React.js training course. Okay, so on this channel, we are going to start one training course which will be based on React.js. Okay, why it is a training course? It is a training course because we will learn each and everything about React as well as for JavaScript in detail. Right, we will learn each and everything, each and every topic we will discuss in detail. Okay, and I'll give you assignment as well. Okay, and also I will give you real life example. Okay, and first we will learn JavaScript, then we will learn React. Okay, and this is job oriented training course. So it is not a single video. Don't think this is just a single video. It is not a single video. This is a training course. So it doesn't matter what is the length of this playlist. Okay, it doesn't matter what will be the length of the playlist, but I will cover each and everything in detail. So that's why I'm calling this course as a training course. Okay, and this is what beginner friendly. Okay, means anyone can learn. If you know JavaScript or if you don't know the JavaScript, you can learn this React.js training course. Okay, so I have created this training course so that you will become job ready developer. Okay, right? So means generally what happens on YouTube, we start learning. We start what? We start learning, but we don't know where to start and where to stop. Okay, so we don't know where to start and where to stop. So that's why I'm creating this training course so that we can start and we can finish. Okay, in this playlist only, right? And after completing this playlist, you will be able to apply for the jobs and you can easily crack the interviews, right? Because I will discuss like interview kind of questions as well. Okay, and I'll give you assignment as well, right? And I will give you the practice questions and I'll give you what we can say. Okay, I will provide notes to you as well. So don't worry about it. So let's see what we are going to learn throughout this training course. Okay, so this is the roadmap. What is our training roadmap? This is our training roadmap. So we this in this training roadmap we have two modules, module 1 and module 2. Module 1 is based on JavaScript. Means if you are the beginner, if you don't know anything about JavaScript, then you can start with this course. I will teach you each and everything about JavaScript. So don't worry. Okay, and we will finish JavaScript first, then we'll move to the React.js, which is second module. Okay, so what are the topics we are going to cover in JavaScript? Let's see this. Okay, so module 1, which is JavaScript. So what is the content of this module? See, these many topics we are going to cover. These many topics means first we will discuss data types. Okay, then variables. Then we will discuss use string, functions. Okay, math library, string. Okay, we will work with arrays. Okay, and object. We will work with object and we will learn object oriented part. Okay, how we can work with object oriented programming in JavaScript. Okay, then we will see closures. Okay, prototypes, call binding. Okay, call bind apply, and then we will see date and time modules. Then we will see this asynchronous function, which is set timeout and set interval, right? And we have other topics. Okay, so we will see prototypes. Okay, date and time, set timeout, intervals. Okay, then we will see callback, promises, async, await. Then we will learn REST parameter. So what are the REST parameters? We will discuss in detail. And then we will move to the destructuring. Okay, then after that, what we will do? We will learn about the module system in JavaScript. How does it work? And then after that, we will learn generators. Okay, and after that, we will create the project based on the knowledge we gather throughout this training course. Okay, so this is all about JavaScript. This is all about module 1. So these are the things we are going to cover in module 1, right? So these are the topics of JavaScript we will cover. Okay, so if you are the beginners, so don't worry, we will learn JavaScript in detail. The thing is, you should know a little bit about HTML. Little bit means you should be familiar with tags, or we can say elements, and you should know a little bit about attributes. Okay, and you should know about CSS little bit, how we can change the color, how we can link the CSS. This is what prerequisite. Okay, if you don't know anything about JavaScript, here is the content. Okay, after learning this, After getting the confidence in this module 1, then we will move, then we will switch to module 2. Okay, and module 2 is what? Module 2 is purely based on React.js. Okay, so here in module 2, we will discuss about React.js. Okay, we will see introduction like history and all, and then we will see advantages of React.js. Okay, what are the advantages of React.js? Then we will see workflow of React.js, how it works actually. Okay, then we will see the scope of React.js. Okay, JSX component. Okay, JSX means like we combine HTML and JavaScript together, so that components are known as JSX. Okay, generally in React.js we work on JSX components, right? Then we will see what is component, communication between the components, what is props, state, okay, refs, keys, okay, lifecycle methods. Then we will see how we create the form, how we will work with forms. Okay, we will use some external libraries for this, and we will see HTTP. We will see how we will deal with HTTP, AJAX, and server interaction. Okay, like here we will see how we can fetch the data from API, right? Then we will learn about routing. Okay, and we will learn about hooks. Okay, and we will learn about custom hooks as well. Okay, then we will see higher order components, context API. Okay, and then we will see Flux, Redux, and deployments. Once you created your React.js projects, means we will deploy that project. And where you will deploy the project means deploying the projects means you are making your project live. Okay, means we will learn how we can deploy our project on freely. We will upload our project, deploy our project freely. We don't need to pay anything. Then we will learn how we can write test cases with React.js project. Okay, so this is the content of React.js projects. Okay, so that's why I'm saying this is a training course and it will take a time because I can't skip any important topic. Okay, so I will not going to skip anything. So this will be a training course and this will be a job oriented training course, and I will give you interview related questions as well. So meanwhile, you will be prepared for the interview as well. Okay, means you are learning this course, means you are learning through this training course, means you are preparing for your interview as well. So you are preparing for your interview as well. So means two things you are doing. One is you are learning. Okay, you are learning, and the second thing you are preparing for job. Okay, so we will target two things. Okay, because ultimately this course is dedicated to jobs, right? And see the next. Okay, what are the highlights? Now let's see what are the highlights of this training course. Okay, so what are the highlights? See, suitable for both beginners and expert. Okay, so beginner can learn through this course. So beginners can learn and experienced can learn. If you have little bit experience in JavaScript or React.js, then this course can benefit for you as well, right? So if you are the beginner, you can learn through this course. And see, second is what? Practical exercise to build skills. Okay, so I will give you the practical exercise to build skills. How you will build skills? Once you practice, once you start practice, and how you will start practicing, I will provide you practice exercise, right? Okay. Next is what? I will give you real time or real life examples for every topic so that you can relate. Okay, suppose if I'm saying anything to you and you are not able to create the image of that thing. Okay, so means you will not memorize that thing. So that's why I will give you the real life example so that you can relate it and you can imagine the picture in your mind of that concept. Okay, so that it will be there on your mind, right? And the next thing is what? Assignment. Okay, you will get the assignment as well. Okay, so in the form of Google form. Okay, in the form of Google form link you will get for the assignment. Okay, and on that Google form link you have to submit what? You have to submit your assignment. Okay, after completing the concept, like for example we covered one topic, then I'll give you the assignment. Okay, and you will submit an assignment, and this is for your own benefit. It is not for my benefit, it is for your benefit, right? So you should take care of your assignment as well. Okay, and one more thing, I'm not going to charge any money to you, so this course is totally free. This course is free only. Okay, I'm not charging you 10K or 5K or 2K or 1K or 100 rupees or 10 rupees or $2. I'm not charging anything. This is completely free of course. Okay, for learners who are motivated to learn, right? You can take advantage of this training course. Okay, so that's all. Okay, in the next video, we will start our module 1, and module 1 is totally based on JavaScript. First, we will clear the concept, each and every concept of JavaScript. Then we will move to the module 2, and module 2 consists of React.js. We will learn purely React.js. Okay, don't forget, this training course is job oriented. Okay, if you want to apply for the job, or like in future you will apply for the job, so this what we can say, this training course will helpful for you, right? So thank you everyone for giving your valuable time. Stay tuned, stay connected with this channel. We will get more videos and we will complete this training course. Okay, and we are not going to skip any concept. Okay, so that's why the length may be like more than 100 videos. Okay, so that's why, but it will definitely benefit you. After completing this training course, you will see your level. You will see your next level. Okay, you will see a confidence in yourself. You will see like you are not, you don't have any fear of programming. Okay, because we will learn each and every concept from basics, right? So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you will be consistent on this playlist and it will definitely benefit to you. And if you have any doubt, any comment, you can ask in comment section. All right, so thank you everyone.